Hello and welcome to the Philippines. Today we're looking at Asia Premier Residences condominium in IT Park, Cebu City, Cebu, the Philippines. Uh, Very nice units, larger than your average units, and we'll look at a studio unit.
Look at, and this is Premier, Asia Premier?
Asia Premier.
Asia Premier. And this is studio. How many square feet? Meters?
I think it's 32.
About 32?
Yeah, like that.
Are there lights?
Yeah, I don't know.
Are the lights on or not?
These units are larger than the average studio built in the last 5 to 7 years, which is about 22 square meters, this being about 10 square meters larger. It's still not a one bedroom, although there are condos in town that will take 34 square meters and put a wall in it and call it a one bedroom. Each owner here is individual, and each unit would be decorated in its own unique way depending upon the owner. One thing I've noticed is the cabinets usually come, and the cabinets seem to be very similar. Some people have added and extended the countertop area. Some have a portable cook stove type thing, and others have the built-in type stove. Some supply utensils, pans, and cooking utensils. Others don't. This place didn't really have anything to cook with, even though they had a cook stove top there, so you'd have to purchase your own. You might be able to negotiate the owner to bring you a few pans to cook with. You should be able to do that, especially since they're supplying the microwave and the cooktop there. I was told that the rent for many of these studio units run about 25,000 pesos a month with a 6-month or 1-year lease. There's the air conditioner up there that is inverter type, split type, which is much quieter, much more efficient than the window air conditioners. But 25,000 pesos a month is about 490 US dollars, and it's got hot water at the tap there also. I have visited this Asia Premier a couple of times, and I've done a previous video here as well of a larger unit, one bedroom unit, and seems to be a pretty quiet area. For those of you who love the sun, there's plenty of it up here. There's a little bit of seating in a shaded area, but most of that pool area is out in the sun. And just around the area where I'm at filming from, there's a little bit of shaded area. And then some of the units do have balconies and some do not. So that could be an option for you. But IT Park is a huge area with corporate headquarters, a lot of call centers, banks. IT Park is a 24-hour city within a city, basically. Ayala Mall is building a mall within the IT Park, and it's going to be multi-use. I believe it's going to have one of their SEDA, S-E-D-A hotels in it as well. I might be wrong about that. But here we have a little bit of a workout area. Not real large, but looked like it was well maintained and enough there to work up a sweat. If you had 3 people in there, it could get a little bit crowded. If, like me, I'd want to work on the free weights there. There are a number of restaurants and bars that are open 24 hours in that IT Park area. For those who like the very late, very early hours, it should be a relatively safe area. You don't see a lot of the panhandlers, the beggars. They keep pretty good control on that type of thing. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe. Safe travels to you all wherever you're at, and we'll see you next time.